Hello everyone. In this video, we will study expert system in agriculture. Myself, Professor S.S. Nikam from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nursing. Content of this video are Introduction to expert system, Importance of expert system, and expert system for agriculture. Introduction to expert system. An expert system is a computer program that stimulates the judgment and behavior of a human or an organization that has expert knowledge and experience in a particular field. It is a program that emulates the interaction a user might have with a human expert to solve a problem. An expert system is a problem solving and decision making system based on knowledge of its task and logical rules or procedure for using knowledge. Both the knowledge and the logic are obtained from the experiences of a specialist in the area. Expert systems are recognized as an appropriate technology because they address the problem of transferring knowledge and expertise from highly qualified specialists to less knowledgeable personnel. In agriculture, this transfer is always taking place from research to extension, from extension to farmers, and even from farmers to farmer. Importance of expert system. The complexity of problems faced by the farmers are yield losses, selection of crop, increasing chemical pesticide cost, pest resistance, diminishing market prices from international competition, and economic barriers, hindering adoption of farming strategies. Expert systems are computer programs that are different from conventional computer programs as they solve problems by mimicking human reasoning process, relying on logic, belief and rules of thumb, opinion and experience. In agriculture expert system, they are capable of integrating the perspectives of individual disciplines such as plant pathology, entomology, horticulture, and agricultural metrology into a framework that best address the type of ad hoc decision making required by modern farmers. Expert system can be one of the most useful tools for accomplishing the task of providing growers with day-to-day integrated decision support needed to grow their crops. This is nothing but list of expert system in agriculture with its description. Thank you.